Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to quickly show you how to increase your wet level on Boloup live stream app. It's very easy, so let's get started. First step you have to take guys is of course open the app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do guys is to quickly click on this me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you do that, at the bottom part of your screen you're going to find these my level option, right? So all you have to do guys is to tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're going to see a list of the levels on Boloup app. We have level 0 all the way to level 50. All right, so if you want to learn how to level up, this is what you have to do. Make sure you select this tab right here. So once that is selected, you're going to see this information showing right here. Here it says wet level represents your historical recharge amount. This simply means that the more you recharge on the app, the more level you are going to reach. All right, so how do you recharge on the app? You can see this option to recharge at the bottom area of your screen, or you can just head back and click on this coins option right here. Once you click on that, you're going to find some available coins that you can top up immediately on the app. It's showing right here. So go ahead, select any of these coins. For example, I will select 8,400 coins. All right, so once I have that selected, as you can see, there's a button to buy this immediately at the bottom area of my screen, and that is if I have my credit or debit card link right here. Once that is linked, you can just go ahead and click on the buy button at the bottom area of your screen. So the more you buy coins, the more you recharge on the app, the more you increase your level on the app. All right, so that's how to do it guys. Hope you now know how to increase your wet level on the app. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.